Hello everyone, welcome to Hirender S3 tutorial. In this video, I will introduce how to edit the timeline media. First, let's drag a video into timeline. Choose the video and we could see the property tab in the bottom right. There are 4 functions in the property. First is the basic. We can set the playing type from normal or play alone. The play alone means that the video will not follow the pause command. It will just start and stop. After we click on the pause, the video will keep playing, although the time of the timeline is stopped. Click on stop. It will stop playing. The time position shows the starting time of the video in timeline. For this example, we'll change that to 30 minutes. We could see that the video will play when the timeline goes to 30 minutes. We can also change the duration time of the video. For example, we can change that to 15 minutes. The video will be cut into 2 parts and delete all the videos after 15 seconds. We can also add that to maybe 2 hours and 15 minutes. The video will automatically increase to 2 hours and 15 minutes, but it will repeat playing for the former content after the original length about 1 hour and 20 minutes. We can also set the start time. So maybe we can set 1 hour. The video will play since the 1 hour of the inside the video. We can also set the blending tab. Let's add another video inside. We can change the size here. Okay, right now is the overlay. So the video on the top layer will overlay the video on the bottom layer. If we change that to add, and the both video will add it up. You can also set the position, anchor, and the other things in the basic tab. Let's go to the mask. We have the built-in template, such as flower and diamond and the other. You can try that in here. And it will just mask the shape of the template we choose. We can also set inverse mask. Or you can set a custom mask. Right here, you can edit your mask to add up the vertex count. And when we edit that in our property, it will automatically show in the stage area. You can also use the arrow key to adjust the vertex. Let's add the speed. You can also type in the exact position for the selected vertex. There is also a key we can choose. Use chromatic key. We can pick a color inside. Then the Hirender will key all the white inside the video. You can also manually set the color, the RGB, at here to key the color that you want to remove. The last one is the audio channel mapping. We can use that. Check the box and choose the different input audio channel. You can set the audio number in File, Preference, That's all for today's tutorial. See you next video.